And meanwhile, closer to home, at least for me, and also on an unrelated topic, the New York Attorney General Letitia James has sued Amazon, alleging it inadequately protected workers from COVID-19 in Staten Island and Queens and retaliated against employees who raised concerns. So this is quite literally talking about the very people who are responsible for getting Amazon boxes to my doorstep every single day, quoting the New York Times. The case focuses on two Amazon facilities, a large warehouse on Staten Island and a delivery depot in Queens. Ms. James argues that Amazon failed to properly clean its buildings, conducted inadequate contact tracing for known COVID-19 cases, and, quote, took swift retaliatory action to silence complaints from workers, quote. Amazon's extreme profits and exponential growth rate came at the expense of the lives, health, and safety of its frontline workers, Ms. James argued in the complaint filed in New York Supreme Court. Kelly Nantel, a spokeswoman for Amazon, said the company cared, quote, deeply about the health and safety of its workers. New York, in its suit, said Amazon received written notification of at least 250 employees at the Staten Island warehouse who had COVID-19. In more than 90 of those cases, the infected employee had been at work in the previous week. Yet Amazon did not close portions of the building to provide proper ventilation, as the state required, the filing said. Ms. James said that until at least late June, Amazon did not interview infected workers to determine their close contacts and instead relied on reviewing surveillance footage, which could take 3 days, and did not cover the entire warehouse. The lack of interviews, quote, created a very time-consuming process which did not identify close contacts in a timely fashion, the complaint says. She also argued that Amazon retaliated against Christian Smalls, a worker the company fired in the spring. Mr. Smalls had been raising safety concerns with managers and led a public protest in the parking lot of the Staten Island facility, end quote.